In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional PowerPoint slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. Start by opening PowerPoint and choosing either a clean template or a blank slide. Templates can save time by giving you a polished starting point, while a blank slide offers full control. Pick whichever supports your content best. Next, set a consistent theme. Go to Design, then Themes, and choose a professional option that aligns with your topic. This controls default colors, fonts, and background styles so every slide feels cohesive. Consistency is what makes a deck look polished, so commit to your theme from the start and keep it throughout your presentation. Now, use clear slide layouts. Head to Home, then Layout, and pick what fits your content, like a title and content or comparison layout. These built-in layouts keep spacing and alignment clean, which makes your information easier to read. Try to avoid dragging random text boxes around. Using the placeholders keeps everything neat and aligned. Add your content wisely. Aim for short, concise text. Think clear phrases, not paragraphs. One core idea per line usually works best. To support your message, insert high-quality visuals. Go to the Insert tab to add images, icons, or charts. Choose visuals that are relevant, high resolution, and easy to understand at a glance. If you're adding a chart, keep labels simple and let the data tell the story. If you'd like a quick polish, apply Design Ideas. Go to Home, then Design Ideas to see automatic suggestions for professional layouts based on your content. Pick a design that strengthens your message and keeps the slide focused. It's a great way to refine spacing and visual structure without manual tweaking. Stay consistent with fonts and colors. Limit yourself to 2 or 3 fonts, typically one for headings and one for body text, and stick to the theme's color palette. Use size and weight to create hierarchy, like a bold, larger title and lighter body text. Good contrast improves readability, especially when presenting on a projector. Finally, add subtle animations and transitions. Use the Animations tab to emphasize key points. Simple fades or wipes are usually enough. Keep durations short and effects consistent so they don't distract. For movement between slides, apply transitions for a smooth flow and resist flashy options that can feel unprofessional. That's it. Open, theme, layout, content, design ideas, consistency, and tasteful motion. Follow these steps, and your slide will look clear, modern, and professional.